I gotta talk to somebody, because if I don't, my guilt is gonna just bust me wide open.
Guilty? About what? What happened?
About what? I've been lying, and I've been lying, and I've been lying to people for so long. And if anything happens to my new grandkid, Rex is gonna kill me. And you know what? I want him to.
Roxy, it's okay.
No,
It's okay.
No, it is not
Listen
okay.
to me. There's something you need to know about that baby, okay? There's something you need to know that's gonna make you feel less guilty.
What? What about the baby?
You're not the only one here that's got a secret. Okay, this is huge, Roxy. If anybody finds out I told you about this, I could get in a lot of trouble.
Then maybe you shouldn't tell me.
No, I can't see you suffer like this. I care about you too much. The baby that Stacy's carrying, it's not your grandchild. Any luck?
No, there's no sign of Dorian or Skylar. Not that I can see more than 10 feet in front of my own face. How about you? You reach EMS?
No signal.
Well, we're not too far from Vicky's cabin. Maybe Skylar made it there.
Yeah, what if he didn't? What if he's out there somewhere? He was?
I called him to tell him not to come, but he said it couldn't wait. He said he had something important to tell me, and then the phone went dead, and I haven't been able to reach him.
I think it's Gigi.
I have to find Skylar.
Gigi, we don't even know if that was his car.
If it wasn't, then why isn't he here? He would have gotten here by now.
Look, all the roads are blocked. He might have just turned around.
Well, I know him. He would have gotten to me. Nothing would have stopped him unless he was hurt.
Yeah, listen to me, Con. It's bad out there, real bad. You'll never make it.
Charlie, I love him. If it was Vicky out there, wouldn't you go?
So if I asked you why Charlie's AWOL again, would you tell me, or should I mind my own business?
I am begging you. I'm begging you, not now. Please.
Is he hitting the sauce again?
Oh, God.
I don't blame him. If somebody murdered one of my kids, I'd hit the sauce for sure.
You know, he came home when he heard that Jessica was missing. And for a minute, I thought it was going to be okay. We were going to be okay, but
What happened?
I have absolutely no idea.
Clint's on the phone.
I'm aware of Miss Buchanan's whereabouts.
For me?
I couldn't help overhearing about your friend. This is a small consolation, I realize.
But I've treated you like something stuck on the bottom of my shoe. Worse.
Doesn't mean I have to treat you in the same way.
You know I'm probably just gonna treat you horrible again tomorrow.
Probably. But I am sorry about your friend.
Father, this woman's carrying an innocent baby. One of God's creatures. It shouldn't be punished for its mother's sins. Even if you don't want it, don't kill it. Please.
Angel, my gift from God. You're right. I know what I must do.
What does that mean?
me to decide what happens to this poor child and its mother?
Thank God.
Indeed. We'll let God judge you, Stacy. Give me your hand. Let me help you off the floor.
Let me go?
See, if you survive the storm, that means it's God's will. And if you don't, well, that'll be God's will.
Wait, aren't you going to give me a... Jessica, tell him to give me a ride at least down the mountain. Jessica, help me.
Right,
Are you kidding me?
Look, Fish, my baby needs help, okay? So does Stacy. Now, I'm sorry, but Dorian and Skylar have a much better chance of surviving this storm than Stacy does of surviving Mitch.
Okay, you're right. We need to get to the observatory, but we can keep an eye out for Skylar and Dr. Lord on the way.
Sure. It's the decent thing to do.
All right, well, there's no way we're getting around this wreck, so we'll have to continue on foot.
Why need gloves?
You don't have any?
Stacy was in labor. I was in a hurry. And I think I saw some in here. Stacy's will.
What?
We each had one drawn up in case something happened to us so that the baby would be taken care of. Why does Skylar have it?
Stacy's baby is my grandkid, because Rex knocked her up.
Yeah, I'm not supposed to tell anybody about this. The only reason I found out is because I work here at the hospital.
Found out what?
Stacy was pregnant with Rex's baby, but she had a miscarriage. So Stacy had to go get herself pregnant again.
Yeah, by Rex.
No. Rex thinks it's his baby, but it's everyone does, but it's not.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I wouldn't tell you this if I wasn't. I wouldn't hurt you like that, but I couldn't stand to see you suffer over Mitch and that kid. And I cannot watch somebody else get duped by Stacy.
You can't leave me out here. I'll die.
Goodbye.
No.
Godspeed.
No, let me back in there. Let me back in. Why? Just so he can strangle me again? We're just not getting me out of there alive. I don't want anything to happen to you. You hear me? Rex won't either, and he's on his way here right now. As long as Skylar didn't tell Jeannie the truth about who your real daddy is.
Well, I can't let you go out there all alone. I'm going with you.
No, Charlie. I need you to help me find Mitch and Jessica. And I absolutely cannot walk with frost-bitten feet.
Well, I can't let Gigi go out there all alone.
Yes, you can. I'm from Michigan. This blizzard is nothing. And if you have a chance to find Jessica, you have to take it for Vicky.
You heard the girl.
Yeah, look, we don't even know if it's Skylar's car, okay? I mean... Okay, just make sure that you've got your phone with you in case it works on there. And please, be careful. Really. Vicky would never forgive me if I let anything happen to you.
Charlie, I don't know what happened with you and Vicky. She loves you.
Charlie, we have got to find Mitch before he hurts one of my girls or Jessica.